Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Positivity. Today I want to actually show you some curry goat that I made today. Actually, this curry goat was seasoned a day in advance. So it sits there and was marinating really good. And then I actually put it in the slow cooker that you see here. This is the Hamilton Beach slow cooker. I gotta tell you, this is one of my favorite pots. You cannot go wrong with this pot. So here's the finishing product of the curry goat. So again, this is curry goat, again seasoned, and I want to show you that I did not add any cornstarch or anything to make this gravy. If you watch my previous videos, I talked about how you can get your gravy to have the consistency that it needs without adding any flour. Whatever you normally put to thickening up for your gravy, you don't need to do that if you just follow my little technique. And that is just adding those potatoes in small pieces early, and it actually will cook with the curry goat itself, and then it's actually thickening up the actual gravy for you. Now, once that happens, if you want to have some bite-sized potatoes that you can eat, you can then add your potatoes later on. So you can add your potatoes, which is what I did. I did add the potatoes later on. So now I have some bite-sized that did not actually dissolve. Here it is. So you can actually eat it. So this is the curry goat. Let me show you. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. I didn't add no kind of, again, anything that you normally would add to picking up your gravy. And this is a beauty. And I gotta tell you, it tastes pretty good. So here it is. Hopefully you can see it. Here it is. Here goes the curry goat. So curry goat that I make today, right here in again, my Hamilton Beach. I hate to keep repeating myself, but again, in case someone did not catch what I said earlier, but again, I use this slow cooker, Hamilton Beach. I had it for a while. I can't even remember where we got this pot, but this is beautiful. I think you should be able to get it on Amazon anyway. I'm not sure if that's where I got it, but it is perfect, perfect, perfect. You can do your oxtail, you can do your curry goat, you can do just about anything in this pot. Season it, put it in there, set it. It has different temperature. You got the warm, you got the low, and you got the high. So when I start out, I put it on the high. And again, it's not a lot of flame, so you don't have to worry about it getting burned. It's not going to get burned at all. And then once it's all done, I put it on the warm here. So it's that way it keeps it nice and warm until I'm ready to have dinner. So there it is. Again, my curry goat. Look at this. Mouth watering. Tastes really good. I got to tell you, I know how to cook. I can truly, truly cook. And I've been cooking from a young age. I learned to cook at a young age, and I didn't have to depend on my parents to do that for me. It's just something that our family instilled in us. And then it's a good thing to have. So there you have it. Curry goat all done to perfection. Gonna cover it like so. And here you can put the spoon right there. And I'm gonna turn my camera around. I'm gonna show you. I actually made some white rice with some gandules, which is like dry pigeon peas. That's gonna be with the actual curry goat. I do have some broccoli here. There's some broccoli. I'm getting ready to actually saute this broccoli. Again, I got my onions, my bell peppers, along with this, and some string beans. So I'm going to be sauteing that as well. Yep. And I also have an avocado that I'm going to serve up with this dinner. There is a plantain, but tonight I don't feel like cooking any plantain tonight. You know, it's one of those nights when I don't feel like doing too much. But I'm going to kind of turn the camera around just to show you the rice on the stove. So bear with me. I do apologize for moving the camera, but just bear with me as I move this around. So here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. I hope that you can see the pot, because I always say, I can't see the pot. Miss Positivity, I can't see the pot. Okay, somebody tell me, can you see the pot? No, let me move it back a little bit. There you go. So this pot here, you see where my hand is? This is the pot that I have the rice in. And I have aluminum foil that covers it. It helps to steam it. So I need to get my pot holder. Hold on. Let's see if this thing will stand. Hold on. And I'm going to get the, hold on a second. I'll just make sure my camera is stable. Sometimes you get these tripods and they really don't work out sometime, but in this case it did. So I'm going to show you. So I still have a cover here, and then it's very hot. I'm going to take this off. Look at that. That is the peas and the rice in there. Can you see it? I lift it up a little bit. There you go. The peas and the rice. Now I don't mix it at all. I let the steam, actually penetrate it, cooks it, steam it, and it's good to go. So again, this is the dry gungo with the white rice, jasmine rice. And it's going to be good. So now I'm going to cover it back. It's on low and it's being steamed. So there you have it. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I do appreciate it. I also want to say I met someone today while I was out doing grocery shopping, and he talked to me about, starting his own YouTube channel. His spouse has been telling him to do that for quite a while, but he hasn't gotten up to it. And I encourage him that he should, just like my student encouraged me that I should. I encourage him that he should. He also shows me a lot of videos that he has. I think he's a fisherman. He does a lot of things, and he has amazing videos to show. I just told him that to go ahead and do that. So he promised me that he will actually start his YouTube channel. I told him it only take like about maybe couple of minutes just to sit down and start that channel. And I know he's going to do well. So I just want to wish everyone out there who thought about it but never really did it to go ahead and do that. Like I said, good not only comes to you, but it should come to somebody else. You should always wish somebody else good and encourage them to do good as well. So I also thank him for subscribing to my channel. He loves my videos as well. And, he tell me I'm doing amazing things, and just to be patient. I know I need 1,000 subscribers, but, he hope I'll get there one day. So on that note, please don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so you know each time I upload another video. Share again the link to my videos. Again, it is free, doesn't cost you anything. Please subscribe to the channel. I am on my way to 1,000 subscribers. Currently I'm at 200. I think I'm 201 right now. So I plead to you again to help me get there. So may God bless you. May you have a great week as you getting ready to go back to work tomorrow. Whether you're going to work or whether you're home, but I hope your week will fill with God's blessing. And just know that Miss Positivity always want the best for you. And, just remember to pray up. We're going through a lot, but God is in control and he will see us through. So thank you again, those of you who tune into my channel, who can constantly watching the videos, because it's important that you watch the videos, right? If you don't watch the videos and you just subscribe, that's not helping the channel at all. So please continue to subscribe, turn on your post notification, and you will know when I upload another video. I am the one and only Miss Positivity. Without, come on, the negativity. Your girl always got the gravity without the levitivity. Bless up, and I'll see you soon. Have a good night. Bye-bye.